running 5 competitors, so each leg will be run by a fresh combatant. We'll see what happens here. Looks like it's going to be Moncton moves maybe to the top of the tower first. That means nothing though. You see how each leg is run by a fresh competitor. They're going to do everything they can, pulling that hose. We're dragging up that zombie, or dragging up the donut roll, up and over. Hand over hand, both the competitors go down to the bottom of the tower. Moncton running red, Fredericton running the yellow course. There we go. Moncton moves past over there first. Fredericton coming down. Clean handoff for both teams. Moncton running red, Halifax, or Fredericton running the yellow. Over the rescue red, here we go. Fredericton on the hose line. 107.13. First time to beat. Knocking down that target. 106.94. Moncton moves. Keep your hands together. Fredericton putting in a great time as well. Bringing the rescue Randy up. He's not going to give up there. Give rescue Randy a little snap in the spine now. Let me follow up, crossface kick and wing. Into the suplex. There you go. These competitors don't give up. They're in for the long haul. They've got a long day here today. They're putting the best time for you guys, the fans. 34-51 for